Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is time once lost cannot be regained. Time once lost cannot be regained. गुजरा हुआ वक्त कभी वापस नहीं आता. Second, no stone unturned. No stone unturned. कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ना. 3. I know you inside out. I know you inside out. मैं तुम्हारी रग रग से वाकिफ़ हूँ. 4. It's torn. It's torn. ये फटा हुआ है. 5. It happened unknowingly. It happened unknowingly. ये अनजाने में हुआ है. 6. There is no lack of lunatics in this street. There is no lack of lunatics in this street. इस गली में पागलों की कोई कमी नहीं है. 7. He killed himself in despair. He killed himself in despair. उसने मायूसी में खुदकुशी कर ली. 8. She is often shy. She is often shy. वो अक्सर शर्माती है. 9. Harry and David fight over trivial matters. Harry and David fight over trivial matters. मामूली सी बात पर हैरी और डेविड लड़ पड़ते हैं. The last one is 10. I abhor eating non-veg. I abhor eating non-veg. मुझे गैर सब्ज़ी खाना पसंद नहीं. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video and don't forget to tell me in comment box that this video is helpful for you or not. Okay, have a good day.